A portable dryer saves space in your laundry room and offers a faster way to dry your clothes when compared to line drying. With a portable dryer, the laundry cycle takes less time to complete. It's arguably one of the most convenient appliances you can add to your studio, RV, or small apartment. 1. Panda Compact Portable Dryer. When space is at a premium, you may be looking for not just a portable dryer, but the most compact dryer there is. For a compact pick, we recommend this electric model from Panda. It saves space by measuring only 19.5 by 16 by 24 inches and weighs less than 40 pounds. While the drum capacity is less than some other models, you'll still have 1.5 cubic feet for drying items. Plan to dry a few shirts and other small items, a couple pairs of pants, or a single queen-sized sheet in a load. One of the perks of using this compact dryer is its flexible installation options. This dryer is stackable or it can be wall-mounted, in addition to sitting on a shelf or the floor in your laundry area. This vented dryer can be exhausted through a window, or you can purchase an indoor venting kit if you plan to use the dryer in a location with limited fresh air access. 2. Black Plus Decker Compact Dryer. If you think that picking a portable dryer means settling for super small load capacities, check out the Black & Decker BCED37. It boasts a bigger than usual drum with 3.5 cubic feet of space, so you can do larger loads while still enjoying efficient drying times. Even thick or heavy fabrics can be dried by this electric dryer, which has a 1,500-watt heater that is more powerful than the heating elements of other models on our list. Features like sensor drying ensure that the dryer functions efficiently, without under-drying or over-drying your clothes. You can also dry laundry using the Eco setting on this dryer for better energy efficiency. In total, there are 4 drying cycles and 3 temperature settings. 3. Yuhomi Compact Electric Dryer. When it comes to an efficient and easy-to-use portable dryer, the Yuhomi Compact Electric Dryer is our top recommendation. This 2.6 cubic foot model has a stainless steel drum that enables you to dry loads up to 9 pounds, which is about the amount of clothes you can fit into a carry-on, weekender bag. Of course, heavier materials or max capacity loads will require longer drying times, and running the machine a second time for completely dry clothes. This portable dryer saves on space when compared to full-size dryers. It measures 23.5 by 17 bu 26.6 inches and weighs 49 pounds. You can install the Yuhomi Compact Dryer next to or on top of your washing machine, but it's worth noting that it also includes a wall mounting kit to save floor space, which may be helpful if you live in a van and want to be mindful of walkways. 4. Costway Compact Laundry Dryer. The Costway Compact Laundry Dryer is a portable electric dryer with 850 W power and 10 pounds large capacity. The small size of this product makes it oh so portable and easy for small living spaces. It features different drying modes depending on your needs and makes minimal noise. Modes range from air dry to anti-wrinkle, to everything in between. It features 4 drying modes with control panel downside easy control, making it suitable for various materials and weights of clothes. Its compact and lightweight design, along with the quiet operation, makes it ideal for small spaces like apartments and dormitories. The stainless steel tub design ensures durability and longevity. 5. Nekithia Portable Clothes Dryer. The Clothes Dryer Portable Travel Mini 900W Dryer Machine is the ultimate space-saving solution for drying clothes. This compact and portable dryer is perfect for apartments, dormitories, RVs, and travel. With its foldable design, it can be easily assembled and disassembled, making it convenient to store in a small cloth bag. The dryer features 2 drying settings and sterilizes garments at the same time, making it suitable for all types of fabrics. It has a timer that can be set from 0 to 180 minutes, allowing you to control the drying time. The dryer is 43.5 by 20.8 inches in size and operates at a voltage of 110 volts with an energy consumption of 900 watts. While it may take longer to dry compared to a traditional dryer, It effectively dries clothes and leaves them fresh smelling.